All right, now we're ready to apply what we've learned about layer masks to our composition. So remember, in our composition, we have Krista outside 2, Krista driving, and our smart object, sky. Let's make sure to save this. So I'll go to File, Save As. I'm calling this Summer Drive, but you can call it whatever you want. All right, so the first thing we need to do is mask out this area on this layer so that we can see through to Krista driving the car below. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the layer, select the layer, click on the new layer mask icon, and then with our paintbrush tool and black selected, we are going to paint over this. You can see as I paint, we're seeing through to the bottom layer. That's good. I'll bring my brush size up again and just kind of go over it again. Now this looks pretty good because we allowed Photoshop to align our images, and then I used a brush with 0 hardness. So if we alt-click on our mask, we can see that there's no harsh edges right here on the border. Just go and paint the rest of this in. So now you can't even tell where the mask is here because our cars are aligned. Super easy. Now I can see what our composite is basically going to look like. I want to apply this layer mask to the layer above. Since they're aligned, the mask will need to be in the exact same spot. So all I have to do is Alt and click and drag on the mask to apply it to the layer above. If I undo that, I could also click and drag the layer mask, but selecting Alt allows you to make a copy. So apply it to both, and now I can see both of my layers with the same layer mask, and I really like this version. This one is fun, but they're looking in the same direction, and the whole point of the picture is kind of like, I don't know, to show that this version is kind of dull and then this outside is super exciting. So if she's looking this way, I think it makes that a little bit more clear. So we're definitely gonna go with this layer. So Krista outside, not Krista outside 2. So I'm just gonna delete Krista outside 2. And there we go. Now we're going to learn how to make more specific masks in more detailed areas of your image.